We are out. I have to get my helmet adjusted here real quick because I am going with the it's a little bit of struggle here. Oh my gracious, don't know why. Okay, there it is. Got some cables caught up here. It's a big struggle. Oh my gracious. And of course I'm gonna drop my glove. So I don't have the helmet, not the helmet. I don't have the camera strapped to my helmet today. As you can see, I'm dealing with a little bit of technical difficulty. Anyway, hello YouTube. We are out on this hump day. Wednesday, February the 25th, 2026. A couple days before we hit the road for Daytona Bike Week, and it looks like we're going to have a rainy ride. Oh my goodness! But we'll see as we get closer to the end of the week. But today, I am basically out testing my chest mount, and hopefully it's not facing the ground. We're actually going to stop a little ways in once we are able to pull over somewhere to see what the video looks like from this perspective, as opposed to being mounted to my helmet, going back and forth. But anyway, yeah, I changed the settings in the camera as well. So let me know what it looks like, what it sounds like. My mic is still in my helmet, but this setup, meaning the chest mount, is really set up, in my opinion, for what I'm feeling so far, for what I can tell. If I had like a 3/4 helmet on, where the chin of this full face helmet is not hitting the top of the camera, even though I moved it down, but it keeps sliding back up. But anyway, I'm going to shut up, enjoy the ride, enjoy the sound, and enjoy the video. enjoy your Wednesday, hump day. I'll see you in Daytona Beach, Florida for Bike Week.